Today, we've got huge news about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the next-generation multi-sport GPS smartwatch that's finally making waves in 2025, and there are some massive updates you don't want to miss. From a surprise price drop to leaked final specs, new hidden features, and smart performance upgrades, the Fenix 8 Pro looks set to redefine the premium sports watch game yet again. Oh, whether you're a runner, hiker, swimmer, triathlete, or just a wearable tech lover, stick around. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're going deep into why the Fenix 8 Pro might just be Garmin's most advanced and surprisingly affordable smartwatch yet. Before diving into the Fenix 8 Pro, let's recap what made the Fenix 7 series a bestseller. Solar charging with power glass, multi-band GNSS positioning, real-time stamina tracking, touchscreen plus button hybrid, multi-sport profiles for running, skiing, climbing, surfing and more. But while the Fenix 7 was feature-rich, some users wanted better UI experience, more accurate HR sensors, LTE or cellular options, lower price point. Garmin listened. The Fenix 8 Pro is here to fix everything. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro was expected to launch mid-year, and leaks now confirm a release window of July 2025. Key dates. Announcement: July 10th to 15th, 2025, Garmin Summer Launch Event. Pre-orders, within 48 hours of the event. Retail release, expected July 22nd to 25th, 2025 globally. Some models may see limited rollout depending on region, especially Solar and Sapphire editions, but Garmin plans a global launch strategy this time, no more staggered delays. In a surprising twist, the Fenix 8 Pro's price is going down, not up. Previous Fenix 7 series pricing. Standard, $699. Solar, $799. Sapphire Solar, $899. Fenix 8 Pro, leaked pricing. Standard, $649 white heavy checkmark. Solar, $749 white heavy checkmark. Sapphire Solar, $849 white heavy checkmark. That's a $50 price cut across all variants. Why the drop? Cost reductions via new materials. Streamlined manufacturing. Intense competition from Apple, Samsung and Huawei. This move makes the Fenix 8 Pro more accessible, especially to first-time buyers. Let's now break down the confirmed specs leaked by multiple sources. White heavy check mark display. 1.4-inch or 1.5 AMOLED upgrade, finally. Adaptive brightness for battery savings. Always-on mode. White heavy check mark processor and performance. New Garmin Elevate V6 optical sensor. Dual-band GPS plus multi-GNSS. 32 GB storage. 2x faster map rendering. White heavy check mark battery life. 16 days in smartwatch mode. 30 to 35 days in expedition mode. 70+ hours in GPS mode. Solar Edition adds 20 to 25% battery boost. Sapphire glass on higher variants. Titanium or fiber-reinforced polymer frame. 10 ATM water resistance. Garmin may be gearing up to introduce basic satellite